Everything is energy. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you will attract it. You create what you focus on. The mind is not just a receiver, it's a projector. It transmits energy and intention. What you repeatedly think, feel, and believe shapes your reality. In quantum physics, this is known as the observer effect. Particles behave differently when observed. Conscious awareness changes outcomes. You are not just an observer. You are a co-creator. Every thought has a frequency. Every emotion sends ripples into the field of infinite potential. Focus is the gateway to manifestation. As William James once said, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that a human being can alter his life by altering his attitudes of mind." So the question is not whether you are creating, but what are you unconsciously creating? And what could you create with intentional focus? When you dwell on fear, scarcity, or anger, you attract more of the same. But when you focus on gratitude, love, and purpose, your energy shifts, and so does your world. Mystics and spiritual teachers have always said, "As within, so without. As above, so below." This is not just a metaphor, it's a universal law. Your inner world creates your outer reality. Plant the seeds of doubt, confusion grows. Plant the seeds of faith, clarity, and action. Your life begins to bloom in alignment. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. But the key is sustained focus. Not hoping, not wishing, choosing again and again where your energy goes. You are a field of consciousness, luminous, powerful, and infinitely creative. And in this moment, you hold the power to direct your focus. Not by force, by alignment. Not through control, through awareness. Energy flows where attention goes. Your attention is sacred. It is the alchemy of thought into form. It is the divine brush painting your life. Choose wisely what you focus on. Speak gently to the vision you're nurturing. And remember, you are not here to react to life. You are here to create it. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions.